Plethora of stars will be in action in this match number 55. It's Delhi versus Bangalore in Abu Dhabi. And to help you get your fantasy teams right, we're now joined by the very erudite, full of wisdom, Tom Mori on My 11 Circle Fantasy Pick on ESPN Cricket Info. As always, up first, we've got a pro tip for you. Back experienced players in what could be a knockout game. Pretty simple, but makes a lot of sense, Tom.
It certainly does. You know, when you've got such a critical game, you do rely on experience. And in both these teams' cases, there's loads of experience. So there's plenty of options to consider. But we all know that when it comes to those big matches, and not that this is a final, it's the big game players that step up to the plate.
The good news for both teams is that all players available, and that's good news for you as well. So you've got the full mix to pick your 11 from. As always, a reminder of the rules once again. Please note that every user on My 11 Circle has 100 credits available to form the team. Each player has been assigned individual credit values, and users have to pick players from all four categories: batsmen, all-rounders, wicket-keepers and bowlers, with a maximum of 7 players from one particular team allowed. Who are we going in with? Shreyas Iyer is going to be our captain. Back your big name in that big game. Shreyas has scored 414 runs this season at a strike rate of 124. He's had a couple of off days, but this game is probably coming in at the right time for the Delhi skipper. Virat Kohli shall be our vice-captain. You've got to back the blue chip for such crunch games. Kohli scored 40 plus on 6 occasions in the last 13 innings and has converted 3 of those into half centuries. This could well be Virat's game. So Shreyas Iyer, the captain, Virat Kohli, the vice-captain. Let's look at our other top picks. Marcus Stoinis, who's been a revelation for Delhi this season. He's a player with as much ability as perhaps any other all-rounder in this tournament, and he should be ready to up his game in this huge clash. He scored 239 runs and has picked up 8 wickets in this tournament so far. He is the all-rounder to back. Kagiso Rabada, while he's gone wicketless in the last 2 games, but this is probably the most important game of the season yet, and we are backing him to come good. He's picked up 23 wickets so far. Remember, the last time these two teams met, he picked up 4 wickets. Yuzvendra Chahal is the last name on our top picks. He's picked up at least a wicket in each of the last 8 games he's played. Overall, he has 20 wickets this season at an economy of just over 7. So that's what our top picks look like. Shreyas Iyer, Virat Kohli, Marcus Stoinis, Kagiso Rabada, Yuzvendra Chahal. Tom, do you like the look of the fabulous top 5?
Yeah, it looks pretty good to me. Shreyas Iyer is the one that I suppose needs to really step up from a batting point of view and also from a leadership point of view, particularly the hole that Delhi Capitals have dug themselves in. But, I agree with you, Virat Kohli's due one, and, he's a big game player as well.
Couple of differential picks to look at as well. Anrik Nortje, who's bowled with extreme pace and control this season. 16 wickets at an economy of just under 8. He's been very good in the power play as well, and so he will attack the likes of Devdutt Padikkal and Joshua Phillips / Finch and then Kohli. Devdutt Padikkal is the other differential pick. He's been a revelation for Bangalore this season. He's their second highest run getter with 422 runs at a strike rate of 127. He's also been very consistent, scoring 30 or more in most of the games, and also has 450s under his name. Now let's take a look at our full 11. Anrik Nortje, Devdutt Padikkal, the differential picks. AB de Villiers, the only wicket keeper. We're going in with 5 batsmen. That includes Prithvi Shaw, Virat Kohli, Devdutt Padikkal. Shikhar Dhawan is there as well, and so is Shreyas Iyer, our captain. We are going in with 2 all-rounders. Chris Morris joins Marcus Stoinis on that list, and we're going in with 3 bowlers, 2 pacers in Kagiso Rabada, Anrik Nortje and Yuzvendra Chahal. Now, if you look at our substitutes, Rishabh Pant, Akshar Patel, Mohammad Siraj and Joshua Philippe. Any changes that you'd recommend, Tom?
Yeah, one that I would look at is Rishabh Pant. He's had a very quiet tournament to date, but I just feel that a player of his quality is going to wake up from their slumber and really have an impact. So he's definitely one to consider in that sort of batsman bracket.
Now, the toss has been a huge point of discussion for all of us cricket opinion makers and anchors and cricket fans. And so we've got an alternate scenario for you to think of. Given that 4 out of the last 5 games at this venue have been won by the team batting second, you can choose your captain from the team that is batting second. Now, there's some food for thought for you. Guess what? We're only going to add another layer to what you need to think of. Here's the high risk 11. Let's take a look.
So I made 3 changes to the team. Aaron Finch comes in for Devdutt Padikkal. I think he's going to get a game. It's a big game, so he's an experienced player. I think he's going to get in the call. If he doesn't play, I think Padikkal is a good pick. So I'm going with Finch as captain as well. less than 10% ownership, a hugely differential option. So he's in my team. Rishabh Pant comes in for Shreyas Iyer. Iyer would have a lot on his mind, high pressure game. I don't know if he's concentrating a lot on his batting. Rishabh Pant, if you remember correctly, I think after he was dropped in the World Cup squad in the last IPL, he had a very good game. So I think he has a lot to prove. So he's my vice captain as well for this game. Isru Udana comes in for Prithvi Shaw. Prithvi Shaw is not having a great IPL. And the last game against DC, Bolt was really good. And Isru Udana picked up a wicket of Dhawan as well in the last time they played. So a left-arm pacer, I think he is a more valuable fantasy asset than Prithvi Shaw for this game. So this is my high-risk 11.
There you are then. What more do you need? You have all possible insights that you need to get your teams ready. Go for it. Win lots and lots of prizes. For now, thanks so much, Tom, for joining us on My 11 Circle Fantasy Pick on ESPN Cricket.